The markups list and its ability to record and manipulate data from your markups may be the most powerful feature of Review. You can use it to record data, make calculations based on that data, and export it to create a detailed report of the markups you've made. You'll see that this document already has some markups on it. Click on the Markups List panel. The Markups List appears, showing data associated with the markups in columns, which are used to represent and categorize that data. Markups have a number of attributes that can be extremely useful in your workflows, and the Markups List is where you can review that information. The Markups List title menu has 3 options for you to utilize. Under Columns, you are able to manage and edit the columns that are active in the list. Under the Markups sub-menu, you can import markups others have made, or export them so you can share them with others. You also have the option of creating a summary of the data from your markups. The Capture option lets you create a summary of your capture media and even export it. You can filter the data by clicking on the Filter option to activate it, and then clicking on the filter icons on the column headings, which will provide filter criteria like a specific subject of markup. You have the option to hide or show markups by clicking the eye with the cross through it. You can use the search function at the top of the markups list to find data based on your search parameters. The data in certain columns is editable, whether it is to lock or unlock the markup, add a comment, or change the color. There are also 2 useful communication options that utilize the markups list: Set Status and Reply. Set Status lets you select from a list of status options like accepted or rejected. You can set the status from a markup by right-clicking on it in the document or in the markups list entry, or from the status column if it's active. You can create custom status options by clicking on the Manage Status button on the status column, setting up a new model, and adding additional states that can be added to the status model. Reply lets you make a reply to a markup, recorded as a comment, shown as a direct reply to that markup. While there are only a few columns that show up by default in the markups list, there are over 30 data points that are built into markups, and you can add custom data points by adding new custom columns to the markups list. You can manage all of these columns by checking them on or off in the Columns submenu or under Manage Columns. When you have custom columns set up, you can enter them directly into the list, entering data, choosing from options, or they will be calculated using other values when using formulas.